Herzlich willkommen bei den Fränkischen Rohrwerken. Mein Name ist Otto Kirchner und ich bin geschäftsführender Gesellschafter. Ich möchte Ihnen heute einen Einblick in unser Unternehmen geben. Ich habe hier jede Menge Zahlen, Fakten und Daten, aber wissen Sie was? Ich glaube, es ist besser, ich nehme Sie mit auf einen Rundgang hier ins Unternehmen.
We, Fränkische Rohrwerke, or short Fränkische, have earned our reputation for manufacturing drainage pipes. They are used to drain soils, ensure an optimum water cycle, and increase, among other things, agricultural productivity and crop yield. We are especially known for our yellow pipes, but our pipes are available in a variety of colors, with and without sheathing, as corrugated or smooth pipes, and are made of plastic or metal. Our pipes are usually hidden. Fränkische products work here as well. What has made Fränkische successful over such a long time? It is the readiness for innovation, the courage to try something new, and the commitment to achieve the goals we have set ourselves. Yet, no company can grow and become the market leader without the right employees. Our employees have made Fränkische what we are today. They ensure our high-quality standards. Our success is based on testing, analyzing, and testing again. We are constantly improving and developing our products and reviewing our own performance. Be it drainage pipes, electrical installation or ventilation systems. Fränkische is a global partner in the fields of structural and civil engineering, automotive and industry. We are constantly improving and have no desire to stop.
So gesehen haben wir seit 1906 einiges erreicht.
Fränkische, rooted in Königsberg, globally successful.